Hello friends. So as you know, in the last lecture we had learned the formulas and related to the topic mensuration. Now we'll be first of all learning two formulas which are very important, and then we'll be beginning with question solving or question solution. So let us see. So first formula which I'm gonna show you is sector of a circle. This is a circle, as you can see here, APB. This is an angle. Here AXB is an arc, and the next one is AYB arc. So here PAXB PAXB is the minor segment and PAYB is the major segment. So first, area of major segment is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Again see, theta upon 360 into pi r square, and area of minor segment is r upon 2 into L. What? R upon 2 into L. So hope you learned something. Now let us move forward. Now area of minor sector. Now what is area of minor sector? Area of circle. See, this is minor sector, this is circle. So area of circle minus area of minor sector, we'll get the area of major sector. Or what we can do is, if you want to find this area of minor sector, we can find the area of circle, then subtract the area of major sector from the circle. Next one, segment of a circle. Now what is a segment of a circle? Segment of a circle, first, area of minor segment, it is AXB. So it will be r square bracket pi theta upon 360 minus sin theta upon 2. Next one, area of minor segment, it is area of sector minus area of triangle. Third one, area of major segment, it is area of circle minus area of minor segment. Now let us move forward towards question solving. So friends, now we will be solving this question. This is the question that radius of a circle is 10 centimeter, measure of an arc of the circle is 54 degree. Find the area of the sector associated with the arc. Now what we have to find is the area of the sector. Given that radius equals to 10 centimeter, second theta equals to 54 degree, and third one pi equals to 3.14. Now we have to find the area of sector. Let us find solution. Area of sector equals to theta upon 360 into pi r square, which is 54 upon 360 into 3.14 into 10 into 10, as radius is 10. Now this it will be 3 upon 2 into 3.14 into 10, as 9 3s are 27 and 9 2s are 18. Now 3 upon 2, 2 and 10 will get cancelled. It will be 3 into 3.14 into 5. It will be 3 into 3.14 will become 12.42 into 5. It will become 62.10 centimeter square. Now next, 71st, measure of an arc of a circle is 80 degree and radius 18 centimeter. Find the length of the arc. What we have to find is length of the arc. Given that theta equals to 80 degree, second radius equals to 18 centimeter, third pi equals to 3.14. Now what we have to find is length of the arc. Solution, length of arc equals to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. This is the formula for it. Now what we'll do is, we'll just put in the values and get the answer. So here it will be 80 upon 360 into 2 into 3.14 into 18. Now 0 0 will get cancelled. 2 4s are 8 and 2 into 18s are equals to 36, and 8 1 then 4 upon 20 and 1 upon 5. So it will be 4 into 2 into 3.14, which is nothing but 8 into 3.14, which will be 25.12 centimeter. Now our next question is that the radius of a sector of a circle is 3.5 centimeter and length of its arc is 2.2 centimeter. Find the area of the sector. Now let us find. We are given that first radius equals to 3.5 centimeter, second length equals to 2.2 centimeter. What we have to find is area of sector. It will be radius upon 2 into slant height, which is 3.5 upon 2 into 2.2. Now what we have to find is the area of sector. Area of sector equals to r upon 2 into L. We are given that r equals to 3.5 centimeter upon 2 into L. L is 2.2 centimeter. It will be 2 and 2.2 will get cancelled, will to become 1.1. 3.5 into 1.1 is nothing but 3.85 centimeter square. Now let us move on to our next question. Consider it as our last question, and then after solving this one we'll conclude our session. So this is that radius of a circle is 10 centimeter, area of a sector is 100 centimeter square. Find the area of its corresponding major sector. Given that radius equals to 10 centimeter, area of sector equals to 100 centimeter cube, and pi equals to 3.14. What you have to find is area of major sector. Now we'll put on its solution. So area of circle equals to pi r square, which is 3.14 into 10 into 10, which is nothing but 314 centimeter square. Now area of major sector equals to area of circle minus area of minor sector. Area of circle, since it is 314, and area of minor sector is 100, so our final answer will be 214 centimeter square. So friends, that's it for today. Hope you would have understood something from this video and got help in the lesson mensuration. We'll be coming up with more parts of this video. Till the date only 3 parts are made, and also more videos will be made. There are more than 50 videos on our channel. You can go and watch and learn from them, in which almost 12 to 13 lessons are explained from both standards 10th and 11th respectively. So thanks for watching, and like this video, share with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. You can also comment us in the comment box, so that we can help you out with your problems. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.